Are more people planning to vote? Details in the latest RGR TVJ Don Anderson polls. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, JLP launches manifesto touting tax breaks.
Portia Simpson-Miller says there is no tension with Andrew Holness.
But what did the political ombudsman tell the parties about their actions?
And what caused the disturbance at Maypen Police Station yesterday? The police explained.
Bed shortage at Cornwall Regional Hospital leaves a patient uncomfortable.
And in the business day, VMBS cuts mortgage rates.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're 1 week away from Election Day. The Don Anderson poll says 58% of people will be voting. Have you made up your mind about whether you will be voting?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Don't go away. Primetime News returns right after this break.